Got a 12-volt battery here hooked up. There's the ground, and here's the positive side and the solenoid, and here's the coil mounted. I don't have the spark plug wires yet, and I need to figure out where to mount the module. Don't have that yet either. Once we have that, it should be okay. I am experiencing a few problems with this starter. Appears to be a spring missing in a clip. Anyhow, I do have ones off the other engine that's on the tractor, so it's possible to substitute them. Anyhow, that's where it is so far. I swapped the starter because there's a spring and a retaining cap and ring missing off this one. I might still find them, but so far wasn't on there, so I've put this one on that has that. And the other thing that happened was the small starter solenoid stopped working. It was just clicking but not actually transferring enough current, so I've substituted one off a Ford diesel engine for the glow plugs. Ford solenoids work fine. They're just automotive, a little more heavy duty, but no problema. The only thing is the connector where they attach isn't a big enough hole to fit over that, so I'm drilling it out with the drill now. Okay, so that's on, got drilled out, fits now, so here it is. Not sure what that scraping noise is. As you saw, that was winding down a bit, so I'm recharging the battery. I've added a couple of automotive spark plug wires to the coil, as you can see. Hopefully they won't need to be cut down at this end, but it might. It's just a matter of trimming. I'm going to drill a hole right there to mount the heatsink for the module. Okay, and it goes over to the one side of the coil. Here's the hookup for the module. And these wires go all the way to the pickup. And there's the ground for the coil wires. The coil firing wire here, and then the positive and to the switch.